everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Ninjatrader account to TradingView using the updated method. This integration is super useful because you get the advanced charting and drawing tools of TradingView combined with the order execution and brokerage connectivity of Ninjatrader. First, we're going to make sure that you have both accounts created and active. You will need a Ninjatrader brokerage login and a TradingView account. Now, we're going to start by logging into TradingView and open the trading panel, which you will find at the bottom of the chart screen. So if you're from the home or from your dashboard, you're going to click on products at the top of your screen, and then from there you're going to click on super chart. Now once you're in the super chart, you're going to click on the trading panel so that it will open. So you will find it here at the bottom of the page. Now once trading panel is open, you're going to click on the search icon right here, which says find broker, and then we're just going to search for Ninjatrader right here. So as you can see, it comes up easily, so we're just going to click on that, and then from there you're going to enter your broker credentials. So TradingView will securely connect to your Ninjatrader account, so you're just going to have to enter your Ninjatrader username and then password, and then you're just going to click on connect. Now once authenticated, you will see confirmation at the bottom of your screen showing that you're connected. From here you can place orders, modify positions, and manage trades directly from TradingView's interface while execution happens in Ninjatrader. It's also a good idea to double check order types and fees, since some brokers adjust availability depending on your account type. If you run into connection errors, log out and log back into both platforms and verify that your credentials are correct. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.